Hi folks, and so what I'm doing now is I'm going to have a look at commodities. I'm going to include oil and the metals, and very interesting times we live in. I mean, with now the attempts to impeach President Trump, we'll see if that adds more confusion to the markets. Incredibly volatile on the daily, and if we look really what's going on in the monthly, at least from a technical perspective, is there's no clear direction. Okay, and so this is the issue, is that for now there is no clear direction. If we break lower from here, we'll go into a downtrend. If we break higher from here, we'll go into we'll still have to break even further to go into an uptrend. So there's no clear direction for the foreseeable future, certainly not on the monthly and definitely not on that weekly. So basically oil, in my expectation for the next few weeks, expected to, unless something significant changes, all of that I'm expecting that to go sideways. It'll be the same with Brent crude. And then moving on to Brent crude, actually just looking slightly more bearish actually in this case. So actually I would lean sort of 49.51 just to that little bit more of that going lower. Then having a look at gold. So gold certainly overextended on that monthly time frame, and I'm looking for a pullback into these previous levels of support, and really looking for price to come back and test these levels. So at the moment, no clear direction on the daily, and an attempt to go higher last week was kind of failed, and it's starting to look a little bit more bearish. So I do expect gold to come back. I think I'll do a more dedicated video on that. Silver as well, same thing now, sort of starting to break fresh lows, and again looking incredibly bearish there on the weekly and on the monthly. So my expectation certainly for the next month is to see it head lower. Platinum also looking incredibly bearish on that monthly. So far we're coming to the end of the month, we're looking to break a level of support. I'm expecting these to break and head lower. Palladium looking beautiful, really nice trend on the daily, so that's been very nice in terms of trading opportunities, and it's broken through a level of support and resistance here on it. So at some point I'd love it to come back and test that and find some support, so that being nice and tradable. Copper, no real clear direction, but certainly more bearish than bullish, breaking a little bit lower there. And so really what it means is I'll be focusing on gold, palladium, waiting for those entry opportunities, but expecting them to head lower first before potentially then resuming the longer term uptrend. So in the longer term I'm bullish, shorter term I am bearish, or alternatively just sitting out of the market.